And I say this as a president of TIE Bangalore, where our theme is entrepreneurship as well as in my personal capacity. Several years ago, we had Dr. Edison say that genius is 99% perspiration. I know it's become almost a cliche now, but the reason why I'm quoting that old proverb is that when he said perspiration, obviously he didn't mean just sweating it out. You can't just sweat out and convert an idea into reality. That perspiration has a lot of aspects: methodologies, systems, teamwork, and several things. And I think over time, over the last several years, several people have tried to unravel what is involved in this so-called perspiration, which sometimes actually gets mixed with inspiration. And what is it that makes these things happen? I have members of the audio of my panel here, some of whom have written very good treatises on innovation. And we also have people like Dr. Edward de Bono, who wrote about how creativity can be channeled, enhanced, and so on. I would like to say that in Naveen's book, in many ways, addresses that in a completely refreshing, completely practical manner. And his 12 Inseparable Twins addresses that converting your idea into reality, bringing out your innate strengths, bringing out your innovativeness in a manner which is not probably, I don't read everything obviously, but in a manner, at least to my knowledge, has not been addressed by anybody else. And these techniques, these ideas, these principles, when applied, I think can truly convert some ideas into reality, can bring out the best in you. And on the subject of twins, I think one other inseparable twin is innovation and entrepreneurship. And to the extent that his book will lead to responsible entrepreneurship, as rightly mentioned by one of the previous speakers, we need not just responsible entrepreneurship, we need sustainable entrepreneurship. Many of the natural resources in the planet today are supposed to last for perhaps a few thousand years, some of them even less than 1,000 years. And in the timelessness of the universe, this is mere seconds. So we need to find a way to continue to create sustainable wealth in a manner that we don't deplete the planet's natural resources, and that a few thousand years from now, we are back to where we were some couple of million years ago. So these are the base principles. Like we can see throughout his thing, not just the theme of innovation, but somewhere underlying a theme of ethical, good, responsible behavior. These are all, as somebody else said, the beginnings of the new revolution. And I thank Naveen for having brought this book to us and being able to share with us these brilliant ideas. And I hope several youngsters and elders also will learn and apply these principles.